Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, I got the thing that's very hard to get right now, and it just came out this week. That's right, I got the new Google Chromecast with the remote control. The cast, it does all these features right here. And there's the side. There's what it looks like. Oh, it does HD, 4K, and HDR. Oh yeah, and it comes with Google Android TV. And get the knife. Let's see what we get inside the unboxing. Or oh, ah, okay. Nothing inside there. Here it is, the Google Chromecast Android TV dongle. Put that to the side. Here's the instructions manual. Warranty papers. Here's the remote control. This is the Google Assistant. The back button, the home screen button, mute, the YouTube button, Netflix, power, and I guess back. And then this would be, I guess, the volume or something. And then the center enter button. Oh, the volume is right here, I think. It takes two AAA batteries. No headphone jack like the Roku one does. Oh, actually, here are the batteries. Here is the AC adapter. It's basically the same thing as a phone adapter, actually pretty cool. And here's the USB part. Oh, it's USB Type C. That's wonderful. And well, guys, there's really not much to say. Thanks for watching this YouTube episode. And there's two other colors, but they were sold out. But anyways, thank you for watching this YouTube episode unboxing. I'm the first one to get this, apparently. Because I didn't even know Google released this out already. I just saw it at Target and I took it immediately because there was only 3 left of the same color. They ran out of the other colors that fast. But thanks for watching. Always remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. See you later on the next episode.